Hello! In today's video, we are diving into the world of Zen gardens and discovering how you can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil oasis of serenity. Zen garden, also known as Japanese rock gardens or dry landscapes, are designed to evoke a sense of peace, simplicity, and contemplation. They often feature elements like gravel, rocks, carefully placed plants, and minimalist design. The key is to create a harmonious balance of nature and elements that encourage a meditative experience. There are 6 elements that you need to get right while creating a Japanese garden. Number 1. Zen gardens typically incorporate a layer of fine gravel or sand, meticulously raked into patterns that represent ripples of water or waves. This represents the calming flow of water and adds a sense of movement and tranquility to the garden. 2. Rocks play a crucial role in Zen garden design. They symbolize mountains or islands in a sea of gravel or sand. Choose rocks of various sizes and shapes, arranging them in a way that appears natural and harmonious. These rocks serve as focal points and anchors in the garden, encouraging contemplation and grounding. 3. Zen gardens often feature carefully chosen and strategically placed plants. Select plants that align with the principles of simplicity and tranquility, such as evergreen shrubs, moss, or ornamental grasses. Keep the plantings minimal, focusing on texture, color, and form to create a visually pleasing and serene atmosphere. 4. Consider incorporating symbolic elements that hold personal meaning or represent traditional Japanese culture. This could be a stone lantern, a bamboo water fountain, or a small wooden bridge. These elements add depth and character to the garden while further immersing you in the Zen experience. 5. Create a space where you can sit, meditate, or simply enjoy the tranquility and view. This can be a simple wooden bench, a meditation cushion, or a carefully placed rock that invites relaxation and contemplation. Zen gardens require regular maintenance. Rake the gravel or sand to maintain the intricate patterns and restore a sense of order. Trim and prune plants to maintain their desired shape and ensure they don't overpower the simplicity of design. Embrace the meditative act of tending to your garden. Creating Zen garden brings numerous benefits beyond aesthetic appeal. It provides a space for relaxation, introspection, and stress relief. It encourages mindfulness and connects us with nature's tranquil beauty. Whether it's a small corner or an entire backyard, a Zen garden can transform your outdoor space into a sanctuary of peace and serenity.